Good morning.
Don't eat it.
Look at your poor eye.
Yeah.
I'm going to put a wet flannel on that. Let me see. He's just woken up with a swollen eye. How are you? You feel good?
Why can't baby bright?
It's okay.
Daddy, don't eat that.
Yeah, look at Foxy's poor swollen eye.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Should we go downstairs? We, this morning, got woken up by the smoke alarm at 5:15, which was terrifying. I run around the house and I can't find anything on fire. It's good to know it works, but also fucking terrifying. So I need to look at getting them replaced because that was horrible. Right, we've just come down and we found a letter. And we think it's from the elves. It says, Mika, Aria and Fox. We are making your mummy write this while she sleepwalks.
Huh?
What? We sneaked into Daddy's car so we can go on draw on Grandad's head.
Huh?
We love seeing you. Post Sparkle Fart back when you find her. Love from Elsie, Elfie, Arnie and Evie. They made me write that. I was asleep. Oh my goodness, the sneaky elves.
We need to find
The elves have gone to Daddy's. I know, they've gone. They went in Daddy's car to go and draw on Grandad. That's cool.
What are
They've all gone to go draw on Grandad.
oh.
That funny. Okay, it's now 7:10. We're downstairs. Fox is in his pooping den. You in your pooping den? Cats keep trying to get in. Fox, you stink. I'm hoping it's not going to be another horrible antibiotic poop. I'm cooking some croissants for me and little fishy fart. And today we're making cinnamon buns. We're making a tray for us, a tray to take on Boxing Day if I'm allowed to drive, and I'm making a tray for my friend that I'll try and deliver tonight because she wanted them for Christmas Day. She was going to buy them off me. She wanted them for Christmas Day morning, and she's had some surgery recently, so I was going to make them for her and she was going to buy them, but then obviously we all got poorly, and then she was like, don't worry about it babe, it's fine. But I want to surprise her because she's just so amazing, so I want to try and make them and deliver them today. Hey, it's 17 minutes past 9. I have a to-do list. It just keeps getting longer. But I've made cookies for the people who Mika is at now. They're coming to drop off in a minute and I'm going to give them some cookies. I need to get my car checked. My next door neighbour's coming around to do that. I need to collect my Marks and Spencer's order at some point if the car works. Otherwise, I don't know what I'm going to do. Made 3 lots of cinnamon buns. 1 to take on Boxing Day if the car works. 1 for my friend Bex because she loves them and she's just had surgery. And then 1 for me and the kids. I've got some bits for my friend Amanda that I need to just gather together, and I've got Fox's old Ninky Nonk that he doesn't play with anymore that I'm going to give to her little girl. Need to deliver that. I need to hoover. I've made a cauliflower cheese already. I've chopped my broccoli. I need to chop my spuds up tonight. I need to take Aria's best friend's presents around because it's obviously Christmas tomorrow and then it's her birthday next week as well. I need to get milk, cheese and bread, but I can do that if I go to M&S to get my food. I need to clean the fire. I need to take some cash out. And then just general tidying. I need to get dressed. I literally put this new t-shirt on and I've just completely and utterly...
Mama, we go on Boxing Day.
What?
We go on Boxing Day.
Boxing Day to Nana's.
Boxing Day.
Yeah, what have you and Ari been doing? You've been being so good, haven't you?
Uh-huh.
I soaked his eye with some like sterile water. Let me look at your eye now. Let me see. There's definitely less swollen, but we just had it. I know Mummy's made herself all dirty with flour. Aria and Fox have been lining up. How many trucks did Fox have?
30. 40, 40, 44.
Oh, Mika's back. Hey, it's 2 o'clock exactly. My list. All that's left on my list is chop potatoes, which I'm going to do later on. We didn't take Aria's best mate's prezzies round just because I couldn't get hold of them, so we're going to do it afterwards. And I forgot to take some cash out of the cash machine. You alright, little leg?
Yeah.
This one's still not hungry, are you? She's still not hungry. But you're not really coughing too much anymore, are you? My next door neighbour came round, had a look at my car, and there was no oil in it. Like, literally hardly anything. He said, you've probably got enough to get to the garage, and that's it. So I've driven to the garage. They've put a litre in, and then we're going to measure it again in a little while to see if it's leaking quickly or not. I did tidy this, and they've just eaten on it. But I've moved this chair in here. And this was my nan's chair, and then this is my nan's cloth that I dyed black. So that there's more places to sit for tomorrow. I've cleaned all the fireplace and reset it all so that's ready to light tomorrow. Not that it's going to be cold, but it's nice to have a fire. I need to just sort out in here. I've folded some washing in here.
Look what you can wear.
Wow, that's amazing. Oh, wow.
It says how many cups of octopus has, and I put 3.
Do you know that?
Yeah.
Did you read it?
Mama, is it 3?
Yeah. We went to Marks and Spencer's and picked up our food. And everyone got a magazine. Didn't you? Did you get a magazine? Yeah. Foxy got a CV's one. Aria got a princess one, and Mika got a National Geographic one, which looks amazing. So yeah, I'm now just going to potter around and do the last bits of cleaning. Delivered my cinnamon buns, delivered my friend's present. What else? I've had Christmas music on because it doesn't feel like Christmas, does it? No. It doesn't feel like Christmas at all. It's really warm. It's like 9 or 10 degrees outside, so it's really weird. So I've had Christmas music on. I'm trying to get the girls to listen to Christmas music because I loved it when I was their age, but they were not really that bothered. But I'm forcing them to like it. Fox loves dancing to it, so yeah, that's what we're going to do for the rest of the day. Can you tell me what we're doing?
Making a chocolate house.
Building a chocolate house. Oh, you're not helping?
I'll help.
Yeah, Chicken's not helping. Oh my goodness.
I'll help.
Yeah, you can. Let's take it all out first. Mika, do you want to get a big plate? One of the square plates.
Oh, can we make a poop house?
You want to make a poop house?
Or ice cream?
I see.
This one.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Can we make a
Right, okay, wait a sec. Health kit. Right, we're going to have a little look and then we'll show you what we're doing. We couldn't do the chocolate thing, could we?
No.
Because we put the chocolate in the fridge and you need to cut it. So we have to let it go warm before we can cut it. So, they're allowed one present tonight on Christmas Eve. So Mika and Aria, that is yours to share. And Foxy, this is yours. Let's move your ice cream bar. Uno Extreme. What is it? What is it, Foxy?
Barry. Pop pirate.
Pop pirate. Look, rip it.
Pop pirate.
Pop pirate. Should we play?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Box.
This is the best thing I've ever bought. This is so funny. Your turn. You press it. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Bells in Santa and reindeers, but I don't wake up, I just hear it.
Wow. We are making our thing to put out for Santa, and we've got a cinnamon bun. Let me have a look.
And
at
it looks like a
and
smiley
it looks like a smiley face. I put some eyes on it. And Aria, what are you writing on it? Yeah, you showed me where you put the carrot for Rudolph. Where have you put it? Oh, that's a good idea. Do you want to put it on the fireplace for him?
Yeah.
You put it down here for Santa and Rudolph. When they come down the chimney, they'll get it. Put it on just there, Bubby. Good boy.
Put it
No, just put it there. Nope. On the yeah, that's perfect.
Ari doesn't know how to say spell four.
She does. What did you write, Ari? Oh, no. You drew a carrot. What does it say, Ari?
We made this for you. The carrot is for Rido.
Good job. And then put it down there. And that's for Santa tonight, isn't it? Oh, we need to put some drink out.
Yeah.
But we'll put that out later.
Yeah. What about the fire guard?
Don't worry.
We'll move it.
Yeah, don't worry. He has a special key, doesn't he? Because he can't come down our chimney anyway because of the wood burner.
Yeah.
So, but it's just here so he knows where it is,
Yeah.
so he doesn't have to search because he knows it will be near the Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Oh, and who did we find, Mika?
Sparkle Fat.
Where was she?
At Eva's house.
She went to Mika's friend's house, and what were they doing?
We had a sleepover and they ate all the snacks, and Sparkle Fat was underneath the popcorn tin.
Yeah.
Lava.
What's lava? No, we're not playing the floor is lava right now.
Lava. I can. Lava. Lava.
You're decorating, are you?
Rabbit.
Ribbit. Fox. Don't jump.
Rabbit.
Stop jumping. Little butt face. It's Christmas Eve and it's 6:20. And we are in our matching. Come here. Mika, come here.
I can't get down.
Catch you.
We'd be camouflaged.
Yeah, and our little matching pajamas. Foxy's got his on as well. He cute.
He likes the paint. Yeah.
She cute. She's small. She's smart. She likes to do a fart.
What mine?
She tall. She Marge. She thinks she is in charge.
Make it.
I need to find his notebook.
No, get up all over sit there. That did not work. That did not work either. Now, that one's going. Come on! Come on! Any in there? Is there even any in there? What? There's none in there. So what are you doing today? It's gonna relax. Yeah. It's Christmas tomorrow. Yeah. Stop pressing it. Yeah, just let it out. Be sad. She just got loads of cats. Let's go over that. I accidentally pressed the buttons. No! I got her. Oh, no, dude. No. Oh my God. I gotta. Now let's do this. That worked. Stop it, pressing the button. Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's those cards in there.
Yeah. I didn't know that.
Don't you dare press button.
Stop it! This is an
Extreme.
Yeah, if you didn't know that. Is it spelled that way?
Yes, Uno.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I
Whatever.
know Spanish.
Oh no,
Yes,
that's
Jess.
just.
Merry Christmas. No, Merry Feliz Navidad. Merry Feliz Navidad, Ari.
Feliz Navidad.
Yeah. I'm too tall for the camera. My eyeballs are chopped off.
My head's chopped off. She was pressing the button loads of times at me.
Oh, you get what's so loud?
There's nothing in it.
There's.
Don't press it.
I told you so.
Hey, it's just gone 8. The girls have just gone to bed. Just had a shower, and I am going to go and lay in my bed with Foxy, and I'm going to watch Emily in Paris. Me and the girls have spent the last couple of hours playing Uno Extreme, which is amazing. One of the best things I've ever bought. Dancing to Christmas songs and watching the Santa tracker. So yeah, that was our Christmas Eve. My ear's really sore, I just caught it in the shower. Stupid ears. Yeah. When you see this, it'll be Christmas. So happy Christmas. I love you, bye.